From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Hannah George. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. It's clearing up a little here. We're pretty dreary for a second here in State College. We're looking at a temperature of about 55 degrees right now. Little bit of wind, but that feels like it's still 55, so a little bit warmer than the start of this week was. And most of the state is seeing a little bit warmer, mid-50s mainly. Places like Philly finally hit 60. They're at 62 right now, and I'll bet you Harrisburg is going to get up there too as well at some point today. But most of us seeing mid-50s. A couple places a little bit cooler. You see Erie at 45. Definitely been a cooler week compared to the rest of April here in Pennsylvania at least. And you know, when I was talking about the southern rim earlier this week, it was a little bit cooler actually, and they weren't seeing this warming trend. Places like Abilene that are typically in the high 70s or 80s this month at least, they were actually in the 60s earlier this week, but that warming is coming on in. You see Tampa at 86. They're pretty warm right now. And places like LA that have seen a cooler month for sure, definitely getting a little bit warmer. But taking a look at the radar over Pennsylvania, you can see that patchy rain I've mentioned. A little bit of rain at times here in State College, but other than that rain, you can see pretty clear skies out there. So when it's not raining, it's a beautiful day, nice and warm in those mid-50s. It feels pretty nice out there, but once that rain moves in, it is a little bit of a heavier rain, so it's not just a light mist. You can kind of hang out, and you probably want to get inside for a couple of minutes until it passes over. And speaking of passing over, you can see it's not a big system. Behind it, not a lot going on, pretty clear out this way in the Midwest. So once that system moves on through, it is going to clear up, and it'll leave us with a nice Thursday, a beautiful day. In fact, taking a look at the radar, as mentioned, you see those clouds in that system move on out overnight. Little bit of clouds going on at times, a little dusting of clouds, but not much going on. It should be a beautiful, nice, sunny day tomorrow. And behind that sunny day, here comes the clouds, and here comes the rain. And that rain is going to be heavy at times. Definitely something to look out for, and it is going to cover State College and most of the state. And you can see here Saturday morning, places like Philly and most of that eastern portion of the state, far east portion, are going to be seeing some heavier systems. Even some rain showers are definitely possible. Looking even more in the future, Friday here, as I mentioned, most of the state covered in some sort of rain. That's going to move on out for a second there. Saturday evening, you can see State College, we might be seeing something, we might not. Who knows if it's going to be hitting us still tomorrow night, but we will be seeing some during the day for sure. And Sunday morning should be pretty clear with a chance for some showers of some sort possible later into the day. And same for Monday, there's a chance of rain for most of this coming weekend and this coming next week, but that chance could be 30, 50, 60, 80, really don't know. Here in State College, we're tending to lead on the higher side of that chance, but it could happen, it could not. You know, it's a little hard to tell exactly, pinpoint the times it's going to be here, but there definitely is a chance it's going to hit us. But for now, let's enjoy tonight and let's enjoy tomorrow, because tonight we're going to be seeing a low of 34 degrees, definitely on the warmer side, and there is a freeze warning for State College and most of the state. But tomorrow we're going to wake up to a high of 64 degrees, and it's going to be nice and sunny out tomorrow. A little bit of that freeze still in the morning, so it'll be a cooler morning, but as we move into the day, we're going to be seeing that high of 64. So if there's going to be a day you get outside this week, make it tomorrow, because look at this week we have coming up for you. Today we're going to be seeing a high of probably about 58 here in State College. Tomorrow that's 64. Once again, nice and sunny with that rain moving in overnight, and that rain, look at it go. Friday a high of 54, so a little bit cooler, but Saturday you wake up, it's going to be warm again, and we're going to see a high of 62 with that rain possible in the afternoon like I mentioned. Sunday, high of 64, and that rain is still staying strong, still probably going to be here. Monday, as mentioned, possible showers, definitely possible with a high of 58, cooler for sure. Tuesday even cooler with a high of 51 and a chance for some showers in the later hours of the day. Alrighty, that's all from me. Once again, I am Hannah George. I hope you all have a beautiful day.